Hello everyone, my name is Javed Sheikh. This video is made as a part of the assignment of machine learning using Python course from SkyPy Lab. The machine learning using Python with online course tutorial from SkyPy Lab was used to complete the project. It was really a great experience doing this particular course. In this project, the dataset from the Boston houses are considered to predict the prices in the nearby areas in the Boston. Uh, in first stage, all the libraries are imported, such as NumPy, Pandas, which will help to design the program to predict the house prices. With this particular function, the Boston dataset is loaded. Here you can see 506 instances are there, where 13 different attributes are there, which will affect the target values. These are the description of the attribute. After that, the using the data frame, the features are taken, means whatever the data set is there, that data, with the help of data frame, these features are plotted in the tabular form, which shows the different attribute values for the different instances. You can extract the special features with the function features, and if you write the particular age, then you can get this particular feature also. After that, all the values are stored in the target with the help of data frame function, and you can see the target values for the 506 instances. Then the concatenation will be done of the target and features in single data frame. For that purpose, this particular function is used with the uh, pandas as a library, where we have used the function as pd concat features target and axis 1, and you can see this table. After that, the normalization is done with the decimal values too. If you compare this table and this table, you can see that after decimal point only 2 points are there. Then correlation is calculated, how the different target values, different attributes are affecting the target values is calculated with the Pearson, with the help of Pearson correlation. Here you can see that with the help of this bar chart, each attribute is having correlation with the target value. L stat has the highest correlation with the target value. After that, normalization of data is done. You can see the values of y before normalization here, and after the normalization it is made in the range of 0 to 1. For that, min max scalar function is used, and the scalar dot fit transform and reshaping is done for the x and y. Then to design a model, the data is divided into the training data and testing data, whereas 20% of data is sampled as a testing data, and whereas 80% data is used to build a model as a training data. Then the model is built, where you can calculate the error function also. Here two functions are defined, one is error, second one is update function. Then gradient descent is also calculated, which can give you the error threshold values, and if it is less than that of threshold, it will stop the error gradient descent. uh, Here the particular threshold values are plotted of training and testing data. You can see the scatter plot shown in the uh, graph here. Then the predicted value, the value prediction based on the training of data is calculated by this formula, and we have computed the mean squared error value here by this particular function. It shows the mean squared error value as 0.014. Then in this table, with the help of pandas library data frame, the predicted data and target value data and the value of x is shown in the table, and that same is plotted in this particular scatter plot. This particular project is done to predict the values of Boston houses with the given data set, and this project is done for the SkyPy Lab assignments. Thank you very much.